G'day guys, how you going? A little intro to the next lot of footage that you're about to see. My brother took up the drone, ended up looking really good. I even got some stripe action happening with that husky. It is cutting better since we've cut that side chute open a bit further. You'll see it in this video, what I'm talking about there. A little bit more action over here, and again, like, still learning where we're setting these cameras up, and you've got to be obviously with the sun behind you, so you won't get that on one of these little bits of footage if we include it. But just sit back, enjoy, grab a beer, whatever you want to do, and relax, watch these beautiful stripes getting made, and a little bit of mowing footage. See you guys, bye. So if you've been following along on Instagram, Facebook even, we've cut this out because the opening was roughly here, I'd say, another 150 at least, where it was blocked off from factory, and the discharge chute was not big enough. Wasn't allowing, when we were doing large acreages like this, wasn't allowing the grass to be discharged properly, as quickly as you'd like. It's putting too much pressure on that clutch plate. Went through 2 clutches under warranty. I've since found out that Red Max do an adjustable clutch, a heavy duty type, if that's a word, type clutch, which would be the exact same model as this V554. So if that's the case, when and if it does it again, because that opening hopefully is going to take some strain off it, and that's the goal of that. And obviously we've voided warranty now anyway, so the next time the clutch goes, it's on us, and I'll be letting the dealer know, whoever that may be, that we're going for the adjustable heavy duty type clutch for this going forward, and hopefully that's all of that done. Take you for a quick walk in here. I'm really tossing up now to get a 61-inch Skag, because we're going to have to upgrade the trailer, and properties this large, we're going to need something bigger than these two. It's just a lot quicker, and the quality that this 36 is doing over even that thing is huge. So imagining a 61-inch with a 37 horsepower Vanguard on it, it's going to cut a lot better than them two, and that deer. So the new trailer, this will still have its place, looking at getting extra workers come next spring. This one will be used as a residential type trailer, and then we'll have a larger acreage. So clearly you can see we've got a big enough shed now. I can have another setup down this side, have this one here, and then we just alternate until we have the workers. We can alternate the vehicle across, and obviously once we do have the workers, then this thing will be there for them. And then I'm looking at hopefully a Dodge Ram in the future. Something similar is on the cards, because we're needing that extra towing power. Putting the 2 mowers on this, and you really feel the weight towing with that, so it'll be on its limit 100%. And that's about it. Start tidying everything up. There's the little push mowers that we've got for now, waiting on that 30-inch Skag to come. Once that comes, that'll be the main one, and then these is all just our backup. So gonna do a giveaway on that Adam edger, because I never use an edger. Giveaway on this, because I only use battery powered head trimmers now. And this one will be only 2-stroke go-to, just lighter, and we like the way it sounds, so. It does. All right, well that'll do. This is the setup. I won't be editing the videos anymore. Gonna outsource that as well, and providing an income for another family member, which is a bonus at the same time. So enjoy. It'll all be a bit different. There'll be a bit more coming, and a lot of exciting things on the card. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow along. Cheers guys. Bye bye.